How to reset Goodman furnace step by step. In this video, I'm going to show you all the steps regarding how you can simply restart this furnace, that is a gas furnace, Goodman furnace. So let's start this video step by step in this video. How to reset Goodman furnace, including Goodman furnace reset button location. Step 1 is turn off the furnace power, first step that is, and go to your furnace power switch. Usually looks like a light switch near or the unit. Flip the switch to cut the power. Locate the reset button. Open the front access panel on the furnace here and look for a small red or yellow button on the blower motor, often located near the bottom. This is the reset button. It might be labeled as reset. Step 3 is press the reset button for some seconds, like firmly, until you feel or hear a slight click on it. If it pops up back immediately, the furnace might be still overheating or have another fault. Step 4 is restore power. Close the access panel securely, flip the power switch back to the on position, and wait a few minutes for the system to be rebooted. And step 5 is check the thermostat and system. Make sure the thermostat is set to heat and the temperature is above the room temperature. The furnace should now start and now heating cycle. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it.